This video is all about creating drawings from Isometric. So we're going to look at some existing drawings here and we're going to try and transfer them and use an isometric piece of grid paper like this. So this is grid paper with some plain paper on top, so we can just trace through. And the first one I've just done as an example. What I've done is you look at the grid paper and you can see there's triangles in here, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So I'm just writing down the dimensions of each one. There's 3 triangles this way, there's 1 triangle here, there is 3 triangles here, 3 triangles here, 1 here, 4 here, no, 3 there, 3 there, and then you can work out actually how many triangles you have to use to draw each line. And then all you have to do is what I've done here is you start the top corner somewhere sensible, and then I have drawn down 1, 2, 3 triangles along that line, and then draw down 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles down this line, and then follow those around as you go. And then you can transfer this object, this drawing, onto another grid to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to do that. Just do one live here. So I'm going to count some squares here, some triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes they can be a bit tricky to see. This one's 2. This one is 4 again. Hang on. 1, 2. That's 3. My mistake. That one's 4. That one's 1. 1. 3, 3, 1. So you can get the idea about what you've got to do. So I'm going to start on this top corner here. I'm going to start that one here. I've got to go down 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to go across 3. 1, 2, 3. Same again down here. And I'm literally just counting triangles to make sure it's the same. And what this does is it gives you really good practice at being able to form drawings as an isometric drawing, which is really important because it's a really easy way to get into 3D drawing. This is where sometimes it gets difficult. You need to work things out. So 4, need to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes people go too long or too short, it doesn't line up. And then 1 across there. And that gives you the shape. So I want my 2 in here. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then everything on this sheet does work with. And I'm missing some here. That's 2 this way, and then this one here goes straight down here. So you can see that I've got now my drawing that is exactly the same as that, and all I've done is count the triangles and follow the grid to come up with that shape. Now obviously I've done that freehand. It looks a bit wobbly on occasion, but using a ruler might prove a little bit better, but it's really important to keep that grid still. What I've done with my sheet is I've got some paper clips on it just to keep it nice and still, and that's what you need to do. Follow the grid and reproduce those shapes. You might need to go onto a separate piece of paper because obviously these ones are larger than those ones, and that is essentially the first stage of this work.